Amid the gray expanse of Normandy's shores, waves relentlessly crash, each surge a stark reminder of the chaos that unfolded. Soldiers surge onto the beach, their silhouettes stark against the stormy sky. Each step is a desperate push against the tide of war. Explosions erupt, sending plumes of smoke and debris skyward, painting a canvas of destruction. The air crackles with the relentless staccato of gunfire, each shot a piercing cry amidst the storm of battle. Through the smoke and spray, the relentless advance continues, a testament to courage amidst unimaginable horror. Normandy beaches. The waves crash against the shore, an indifferent rhythm to the impending chaos. Landing crafts cut through the water, carrying soldiers towards the inferno. The air crackles with the sounds of gunfire, the smoke a grim shroud over the battlefield. Explosions tear through the landscape, painting the sky with fire and fury. Narrator, V.O. June 6th, 1944. The day the world held its breath. Over 150 Allied soldiers stormed the beaches of Normandy. But behind the headlines lie stories you've never heard. A stark screen emerges from darkness. The words, D-Day, the untold stories of the heroes blazing forth. Each letter glows with intensity, revealing the untold stories of courage and sacrifice hidden within. The screen pulses with anticipation, a prelude to the heroic tales about to unfold. In the profound silence, the title commands attention, promising untold stories of bravery. The title hovers, inviting viewers to delve into the heart of D-Day's forgotten heroes. Amidst the grim reality of the trench, John Steele sits hunched, a letter becoming his sanctuary. His brow furrows, each line a testament to the worries weighing heavily on his young shoulders. Around him, fellow soldiers move with silent purpose, each action a preparation for the impending storm. Another sharpens his bayonet, the metallic rasp a stark reminder of the brutal task ahead. Each soldier meticulously checks his equipment, ensuring readiness for the inevitable clash. A palpable tension hangs in the air, thick and heavy, as they brace themselves for the battle to come. Sainte-Mère, Église is under siege, bullets tearing through the air. High above, John Steele, a paratrooper, dangles precariously from the church tower. John Steele, a paratrooper from the 82nd Airborne, was caught on the church tower in Sainte-Mère, Église, dangling for hours as bullets flew past him. He hangs suspended, a solitary figure against the chaos, as bullets whiz past him. In Sainte-Mère, Église, a harrowing reenactment unfolds beneath the open sky. A mannequin dangles lifelessly from the church tower, bullets whizzing past. Dust explodes around the stone as bullets chip away at the aged facade. In a macabre pantomime, the mannequin pretends to be dead, its limbs swaying gently. The bullets keep ripping past, each shot a stark reminder of the deadly reality. The scene is a haunting tableau of war's grim theater. In a realm of ambiguity, a man lies still, eyes sealed shut. A figure caught between worlds. The narrator's voice echoes, revealing an impossible survival. He pretended to be dead and lived to tell the tale. The man's stillness belies a vibrant truth, a silent testament to life's improbable resilience. In the quiet void, his feigned demise becomes an unlikely prologue to an extraordinary tale of survival. The man continues to lie still, his pretense of death a veil over his will to live. Léon Gautier, a seasoned French commando, emanates a quiet strength in the stark interview room. His eyes, though aged, reflect a steely resolve, hinting at battles fought and wisdom gained. An air of unwavering calm surrounds him, a testament to years of facing the storm. He sits with a quiet determination, ready to face whatever lies ahead with unyielding spirit. The silence in the room amplifies his presence, each breath a measured act of control. His posture speaks of a lifetime dedicated to service, a warrior's heart beating steadily beneath a composed exterior. Léon Gautier's face, a canvas of time and conflict, speaks volumes of battles fought and burdens carried. His weathered gaze, unwavering and intense, reflects a lifetime of hardship and resilience. The weight of countless sleepless nights is etched into every line of his face, a testament to sacrifices made. His voice, gravelly with age and experience, echoes with conviction as he speaks. We fought for our country's freedom. His eyes flash with pride and defiance as he declares, on our own soil. A disembodied voice fills the air, resonating with reverence. The voice introduces a hero, a lone warrior fighting for his homeland. The narrator speaks of Léon Gautier, a name whispered with respect. Then there's Léon Gautier, the voice declares, tinged with admiration. The voice continues, describing Léon as one of the few French commandos. The voice concludes, who fought for his country's freedom on his own soil. A montage begins, a whirlwind of fleeting images capturing moments of both hope and profound exhaustion. Close-up photos of soldiers, their faces etched with a mix of hope and weariness. Close-up images reveal the raw, unfiltered emotions etched onto the faces of soldiers. Each photograph tells a silent story of sacrifice and resilience, as soldiers' faces reveal the weight of their experiences. The screen shifts to fragments of handwritten letters, their ink subtly bleeding into the aged paper, whispering untold stories from distant battlegrounds. Shots of handwritten letters, ink bleeding slightly into the aged paper. Delicate strokes of ink bleed across the aged paper, each word a poignant reminder of love, longing, and loss. The ink-stained letters stand as timeless testaments to the enduring human spirit amidst the chaos of war. Waves crash relentlessly against the shore, each surge a testament to nature's raw power. Footprints mark the beach, silent echoes of journeys taken, each step a story. The sun beats down, casting a golden hue upon the water, a stark contrast to the somber narrative that unfolds. Narrator, VO. Many were only 18. Narrator, VO. Some never made it past the waves. Narrator, VO. But every step forward carved the path to freedom. The trench air hangs thick with dust, illuminated by faint shafts of sunlight. Two young soldiers seek warmth and solace in the trench's confines. Their faces, etched with weariness, reflect the harsh realities of war. In the quiet of the trench, their shared silence speaks volumes. Each breath, a testament to survival, they find fleeting comfort in each other's presence. Amidst the smoke-filled battlefield, a young soldier stands, his youthful face marked by the harsh realities of war. He clutches a worn photograph, a tangible link to a life he may never return to, his eyes reflecting a steely resolve. He steels himself, a faint smile playing on his lips as he speaks. If I don't come back, tell Mom I went smiling. With unwavering conviction, he declares, we're doing this for something bigger. Amidst the skeletal remains of buildings, children with dirt-smudged faces play, their laughter echoing faintly in the ravaged village. Women with eyes reflecting years of hardship tend to meager gardens, their silent resilience a stark contrast to the surrounding devastation. The air hangs thick with the scent of wood smoke and unspoken fear, a constant reminder of the oppression looming over the village. Members of the French resistance move with practiced stealth, their faces etched with determination as they navigate the hidden paths. They discreetly aid Allied soldiers, guiding them through the shadows and offering sustenance. Their actions a beacon of hope in the darkness, a hushed exchange of words, a clandestine transfer of supplies, acts of quiet defiance that resonate with unwavering resolve. A French village appears, cloaked in an ethereal mist, as the narrator begins to speak. Allied troops advance cautiously, their every step measured as they navigate a deadly minefield. In shadows, a woman furtively guides a soldier into her home, risking everything for a moment of defiance. The narrator's voice echoes, honoring those who defy the darkness. Not all heroes wore uniforms. French villagers guided troops through minefields. Women hid Allied soldiers in their homes, risking everything. In the serene French countryside, a hidden danger lurks beneath the soil, threatening to shatter the deceptive calm. Allied soldiers, guided by stealth, tread cautiously through a minefield, their fate hanging precariously with each measured step. The air crackles with unspoken tension, every rustle of leaves and chirp of birds amplifying the palpable sense of dread. Their eyes dart nervously, scanning the landscape for any sign of betrayal or impending doom. Their trust, a fragile shield against the unseen enemy. Each footfall echoes like a thunderclap in the silence, every heartbeat a drumbeat of impending disaster as they navigate the deadly maze. In this treacherous ballet of survival, one wrong step could unleash a cataclysm, forever altering the course of history. In the dim cellar, dust swirls like secrets in the single ray of light. Marie, her face a mask of determination and weariness, tends to the Allied soldier's injured leg. The Allied soldier, pale and gripped by pain, grits his teeth as Marie works. Marie's movements are precise, her quiet efficiency a stark contrast to the grim surroundings. The air hangs heavy with worry, each breath a silent prayer for survival. In the cellar's embrace, hope and despair dance in the shadows, each touch a fight against the encroaching darkness. Across the military cemetery, rows of white crosses stand as silent sentinels, each marking the eternal rest of a fallen soldier. The camera captures the solemn landscape, its vastness echoing the profound silence of the scene. The crosses stand uniformly, a stark reminder of sacrifice and loss. The scene conveys a sense of quiet dignity and respect. The sun descends, casting a fiery glow across Omaha Beach, a symphony of orange and purple hues mirroring the tranquil water. Silence blankets the scene, broken only by the gentle rhythm of waves caressing the shore as the sky becomes a canvas of remembrance. A solitary figure walks the beach, their silhouette stark against the vibrant colors, a poignant reminder of lives touched by history. The sky deepens, the last light fading, leaving a quiet promise that whispers through the sand. The screen remains black, a canvas of anticipation as a voice cuts through the silence. A somber narration begins. D-Day wasn't just a military operation. The narrator continues, their words painting a vivid picture. It was a moment of raw courage, of silent sacrifice. The voice concludes with a powerful reminder of heroes we must never forget. The scene opens on a blank screen, ready to tell a story. Words begin to appear, a solemn declaration. This is their story. The narrative continues, a call to remembrance. This is our duty. The final words echo, a profound responsibility. To remember. The screen remains fixed on the message, a stark reminder of the past. In a brightly lit studio, a lone figure stands center stage, ready to begin. The narrator smiles warmly, their gaze meeting the viewers, inviting them into the story. Bathed in light, the narrator's expression radiates openness, setting a welcoming tone. The studio's stark backdrop emphasizes the narrator's sincerity, creating an intimate atmosphere. With genuine warmth, the narrator prepares to unfold a tale, their eyes full of anticipation. The screen fades into darkness, the silence broken only by soft, reflective music. In the fading light, a message emerges. Honor their legacy. The narrator gently urges, if this story moved you, honor their legacy. The narrator continues with a call to action. Subscribe for more forgotten stories of courage. Share a hero's name in the comments. The screen is a void, an abyss of pure black, swallowing all light and form. From the darkness, words materialize, etching themselves into existence. Lest we forget, the stark message hangs in the void, a haunting reminder echoing from the depths of oblivion. The words are etched in memory,